Hey, hi. Thanks for joining me. My name is Gretchen Shepard. I am a photographer, a retired school librarian, and elementary teacher. And you put that combination together and you get a storyteller, a visual artist, and a lot of combination of things of somebody who likes to learn new things. And sometimes when I learn new things, I have to learn them on the fly. And today, I wanted to share something with you that I learned in Canva. So, in my storytelling, I have been doing a nightly story reading on YouTube. To do that, I kind of have to have something that sets the book up to show on YouTube, to have it like an opening video, like I kind of did at the beginning here, but about the book. Oftentimes, I know the book very well. I don't want to give it away, but I want a little bit of an opening that touches on things related to the books. I like to do a video. I like to add some music. I like to do those kind of things. I have found that Canva works pretty well for that. As a photographer, I have still images. I'm not real interested in spending a lot of time making elaborate videos otherwise. Canva has a great stock library, and I have found it really useful for this. So my purpose today is to show you how to do a short opening video or a B-roll or some type of thing using Canva stock, and how to layer those videos so that they can be longer and fit your needs. It's kind of cool. All right, I'm going to take you into Canva. Here we go. Okay, so to do this, you can do it on a free account. I have a paid account because I'm using it all the time. So, but to do this, you're going to open the video part right there because that's what I want to do. 1920 by 1080 is what I'm looking for in videos. It fits the YouTube size. And I'm going to go down here on the side and touch videos. If you saw on the side here, nope. I need to have my Apple Pen out. Well, so on the down on the side, it says videos. And if you'll notice along the top, it says search videos and it has gradient, background, subscribe, and a bunch of other things. I am doing story in art. So my feature really oftentimes is about the art in picture books. So oftentimes I like to do that. Sometimes it's about the story. This one I chose to do about the art in the picture books for this opening. So I'm going to type in my keyword, which is going to be art, and see what I get. I get a whole bunch of them. And I'm kind of looking for something that's sort of general maybe because it might match the book that I'm doing, the type of thing. Here's one that's in the free that is all of 6 seconds. 6 seconds isn't a lot. But it's still nice. So what else do I have? What can I do to have that there, but use another one? I can choose a background video, a gradient they have up here. They have, if I take off art, you'll see that they have backgrounds of all different kinds. Ooh, that one's kind of pretty. And so I'm going to look first for one that's a little bit longer than what I have. I have 6 seconds already, and I have other things here that are a little bit longer. Let's go for something a little wild. Let's go for that one. Oops, now it's on top. What do I mean? It's on top. That's not going to help me, but it's 20 seconds. On this, if I hold this down, it can say I can set the video as the background. So I can move these things and position them. I just put my finger on my iPad there, or you hover your mouse over it, or there's oftentimes a thing at the top that says position. And I'm just going to set that video as the background. Now, if you look here at the top, there's that blue to purple gradient along the top of Canva. Over in the purple area, there's a couple of people that if you're working with a team, but all of a sudden it goes to 20 seconds. So now my video is 20 seconds long. Okay, that's cool. That's longer. Will it play? What will happen to the short one, the 7-second one? Let's hit that and see what happens. What's going to happen is that shorter video is going to loop again and again and again to fit the size of my longer video. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm going to close that. Oops. Thank goodness Canva. Canva saves things right off the bat. As soon as you do them, it saves them. Look at that, it's right there. But say I want it longer, but I want a little variance, it to be a little varied. I can add another page. I could go back to videos. This time I'm going to look for, let's see, I think I'm going to go for something in, let's go for a gradient. Gradient background. I'll go for a nice longer. Here's one that's 30 seconds, 13. So you can go in and find one that are as long as you need. You can even find ones that are vertical. I think I like this dark one. I'm going to set it as the background so I don't have to switch it around. And then I'm going to go back to videos. I'm going to see what I've written and see if there's any more artists. Oh, there's one. I like that one instead. I'm going to take this one and I'm going to delete it. Backspace, I don't like that. I'm going to take this one instead and I'm going to set it as my background. Come on, there we go. So I kind of like that one instead. And now I've got another, let's see, let's try this one. I've got another one, that's 9 seconds. So that's a painter. I could have different type of things that I could choose from. So now I'm up to 56 seconds. What I can do then is I can decide if one of these is too long, one of them is too short. It is simply a matter of highlighting the video that you're working on and moving it, how many seconds you want to reduce it. So now I'm at 42 seconds. Each one's going to be about, this one's 20 seconds. This one's going to be a little bit shorter. We'll make a match. There, that's close enough. Now I have them, I have 2 videos. It's going to be 42 seconds. They have backgrounds. They have different, I've layered them. It will play to the length of the longest video. Just want to make sure that the shorter one is on top. You have a good background video that's a little bit longer. I find that easier to do. And it works really well. I'm pleased. Now what's fun with this is that you can close this up. You can add text, easily add text as a title. Title, like that. You can make it bigger. Come on. There we go. I can make it as big as I want. I can change the color of it to whatever I need it to be. And you'll notice that I only have it on one of the videos. It's not there. Oh shoot, I should have done that. Oops. I lost my background there. How did I lose that? That's okay, I can go back and get it. Where was my background? There we go. Replace background. There we go. It's there. It's just not playing right now. There it is. Okay. There, it's back. So what I can do is I can just take that title right here that I have and copy it and go back and paste it back here and paste, and it shows up. So it'll be there on both of them. I can bring music in, but what's wonderful with this, now that I've got what I wanted to, and I want to download it, I can download it as an MP4 as suggested for my video. It'll play both of them. I can also download it as a PNG, and I can choose which page, or I can choose, because I have 2 pages, I can choose both pages or one of each. And so when you do that, that gives you 2 different thumbnails, one for each page. So download those as a PNG, and then you have your thumbnail, and you also have your video. I think that's pretty cool to be able to do. So that's the learn from the librarian trick. So that's it. That's a pretty simple, hopefully simple, straightforward tutorial about how to layer videos in Canva so that you can extend the time of a video insert that you might need for YouTube or for whatever you're doing. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like and maybe subscribe. Share this with a friend. I'll be back another time with another Learn from the Librarian tutorial when I find something new that I've learned. This is great fun. Until then, you can find me at Images by Gretchen on YouTube every night at 6:30 with Story and Art, where I am reading one of my favorite books and sharing about the author and the artist that put that piece of art together. So until next time, everybody, do have a great day. Enjoy yourselves, but I want to leave you with this one thing, my motto. Keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around you, it really is. But the first place to go look is in your mirror. Until next time.
In the heat of the night,